Hey and welcome to my Redeemly review. In this channel, I give honest digital product reviews along with awesome bonuses for products I truly believe in. Redeemly is brought to you by Ms. Ann Morrison, also the creator of Qbeat, Smart Writer, Funnels Bot, Tagit, Stock Rush, Affiliate Suite, Active Webinar, Stock Rush, and many high-quality software products. So the big question is Redeemly really worth your money? I'll tell you if it ticks all the boxes, and if it does, I'll give you some awesome complimentary bonuses you can only get from me today. In a nutshell, Redeemly is a platform that will allow you to create cardless loyalty programs to reactivate dormant customers as well increase sales from existing customers. If this sounds like something you're interested in, stick with me as I will show you more during this video, including the upsells and also my demo video. My goal is to help you make an informed decision so you don't end up wasting your money. I also put together some cool bonuses for you if you decide to buy Redeemly through my link, free, part of your purchase. Now let's jump into the next section of my Redeemly review to find out what exactly Redeemly is and how it can help you in your business. What is Redeemly? Redeemly is a smart web app that creates customer loyalty websites and automates cardless loyalty programs for businesses to reactivate dormant customers and increase sales to existing customers. Redeemly is now live, and we couldn't be happier because it gives you everything you need to help local businesses by creating cardless loyalty programs with no effort. Businesses are struggling right now, and developing a cardless loyalty program is one of the best ways to help them get results. This is also an excellent way for you to start a profitable business in 2022 without any prior experience or special skills. In addition to getting your hands on the Redeemly app, which makes it easier than ever to build a six-figure loyalty agency, I'm also throwing in over $10,000 in bonuses if you get this right now. Now let's take a look at demo video for Redeemly, how it works and how it can help you in your business.
Guys, welcome to Redeemly, the futuristic AI technology that lets you sell smart, cardless loyalty programs that boost sales and profits to local businesses for monthly fees. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor for you to follow only 5 really short steps, which takes you just a minute to apply. Sounds good? Now let's do this. Step 1. Create a business. On Redeemly, you can create profiles for businesses that you want to link to a loyalty program. To start creating a business, you just need to click here first, then here. Now you're going to fill in the details of your new business, including the business's industry, name of business, logo image, and contact details, as well as any other additional detail you wish to add, including links to social media and other links. Well, that's all about step 1, guys. Step 2, create a staff member. You'll be prompted to add a staff member after creating a business. So click here to add a staff member so you can continue to the next step. Creating staff is easy too, because you just have to select the business you'll be adding staff to and to enter the staff's details. Well, we're done with step 2. It was easy too, right? Step 3, create a reward. Next, you are going to create a reward that'll be linked to the business you just created so they can offer that in their cardless loyalty program. You just click here and then here to get started. Much like when creating a business, Redeemly makes it easy to create rewards simply by adding some details here. These details include the reward title, the number of loyalty points this reward costs, the dollar value of the reward, the date range when the reward will be active, the reward description, and images. You can create as many more rewards as you want simply by clicking here. We're done with step 3, so let's move on. Step 4, create a loyalty campaign. Now comes the fun part, guys, creating a cardless loyalty program. Start by clicking here. Then here to enter the campaign details. First, you're going to select the business running this campaign. In this case, I have to select the business I created at the beginning of this video. Now, enter a name for the campaign, and then the number of loyalty points a customer receives by signing up to the loyalty program. You can even add your own custom domains for the loyalty program site. Next, you're going to select the rewards you'll add to the campaign. Then, you're going to configure the different ways customers can earn loyalty points and redeem their rewards. And finally, you can customize the appearance of your loyalty program site. Here, you can customize every section and page in your rewards program site, as well as the site's colors so it matches the business's branding. You just have to click here to publish your loyalty program site once you are done adding all your details, and then your Cardless rewards program is live. Step 5. Onboard your first customer. You can click on the campaign's URL to visit the program site, where customers will be able to sign up, earn points, and redeem rewards, and this will be the URL you will be sharing to onboard your first and as many customers as you want, all with just minutes of easy work. Guys, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Let me show you a couple more things you'll find inside Redeemly, including the ability to add and manage customers after they sign up to a loyalty program, and a detailed analytics dashboard to see your earnings when customers redeem points, and your spending when customers redeem rewards. Lots more awesome stuff inside Redeemly, but I can't show them all in this video. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking to sell AI cardless loyalty programs that generates recurring income, then try Redeemly today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.